Hello everyone, happy weekend to you all. Make delicious fried chicken with me. If you are new here, kindly like and follow us to get more notification of our new videos. So firstly, I started off with adding a clean chicken into a clean pot. I'll be going in with some onion and some mixed spices, garlic and ginger powder, thyme, curry, mixed spice, another type of mixed spice, seasoning cube, salt to taste. Then I'll give it a good stir. Where are you watching us from? Give us a like, comment, share, post, guys. It's a way of encouraging us to do more. Thank you and stay tuned. So once I'm done, I'll cover and allow this to cook for at least 2 to 3 minutes so that it can bring out its own juice. So at this point, as you can see, it has been cooking, so I went in with some peppers. I'll give this a good stir again. Then I'll be going in with some water at this point to enable it to cook properly, because this is a hard chicken. Then stir. Cover and allow to cook for at least 5 to 7 minutes. So 7 minutes into the cooking, as you can see, the chicken is properly done. Time to take it off the heat and proceed to frying. Stay tuned. So I took off the chicken. Now I'm adding oil into the pot. I'll allow this to get hot a bit before I go in with the chicken. As you can see, the oil is not too hot and it's not too cold. That way it will not splash everywhere. If you have watched to this extent, it shows you like what you're seeing. Why not give us a like, comment, share our post? It's a way of encouraging us. Thank you and stay tuned. So allow the chicken to fry properly on each side before flipping. As you can see, I'll give it some minutes before I flip, allowing it to fry properly on each side. So people of God, at this point our chicken has been frying beautifully. It has fried enough, so time to take it off the heat. Guys, our delicious fried chicken is perfectly ready. Can you see this beauty? Who wants some? Thank you guys for joining me at this episode. Until next time, do have a great weekend. Bye.